Hi student, how are you? I hope you are well with your parents. I am also well. So today I am going to welcome all of my student of class 3 because today I am going to take your science class and today we'll uh, cover chapter 6 and our topic is air, and you will find this in your board book page from 36 to 42 pages. We'll cover it. So first we need to know what is air. So air is all around us but we cannot see it. So what is air exactly? The answer is air around us is a mixture of many gases and dust particles. It is the clear gas in which living things live and breathe. So by the help of air we can live and breathe. So let's now we see the components of air. So air is mixture of about 78% of nitrogen, 20.9% of oxygen, 0.9% of argon, 0.03 or 0.04% of carbon dioxide, and 0.70% of other gases. And there is also dust and other things. So uh, in this picture or diagram, you can see these components of air. So air means not only nitrogen, not only oxygen, not only some carbon dioxide or other gases. Air means all the combination of many gases. So how we feel air around us, because we cannot see the air, so how we feel this air. So air is all around us but we cannot see it, but we can feel it in different ways, such as we feel air by breathing, we pumping vehicles tire like bicycle, car, etc., by blowing air inside of the balloon. In this way you can feel the presence of air. There are some more, like by making paper kite and trying to fly it in the sky. Without air you cannot able to fly the kite. Then riding bicycle on the windy day, and then by seeing leaves of the trees are moving by air. These all pictures shows that the presence of air. You can understand very easily. Then now we need to talk about the importance of air. So air is very important element, such as people need air to survive. Plants use air to make their food. Animal and plant breathe through this air. So air is very important for our day-to-day lives. Now we'll see some of the uses of air. Like plants and animals need air to live. Human need air to breathe. Birds fly because there is air, and we feel air in balloons, football, bicycle tires, etc. Then one of the most uses of air is we need air to burn the fire. Okay, to burn anything. If you want to burn anything, you need fire. Without uh, this air, we cannot burn anything. Then another one is air is used to move things like kite, helicopter, sailboat, and windmill. These all things we need air. Then one of the important things is air keeps things up. You see this picture, air keeps these things up. For example, if you use life jacket, then it will helps you to put you this life jacket helps you to put you top of the water, because there is air. You will not sink in the water, so it helps something to keep up. So we discussed already that in air there is many types of gases like oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide. So now we'll see some of the uses of these gases. So first I want to share about oxygen. So in oxygen, most living things need oxygen and give off oxygen when they make food. Additional oxygen is needed for patient in the hospital. So these are the uses of oxygen. Next, carbon dioxide. Plant need carbon dioxide to make their food. Without carbon dioxide, plant cannot able to make their food. Then carbon dioxide is also used for fire extinguisher. If you want to put off the fire, in that time we can use that fire extinguisher, and in that fire extinguisher there is carbon dioxide which help to reduce the fire, or we can put off the fire. Then carbon dioxide added to the soft drinks, the drinks you like Coca-Cola, Fanta, Pepsi, 7 Up, uh, these types of drinks, this carbon dioxide used. When you open this kind of drinks, you hear one type of sound like this kind of, this sound make through this carbon dioxide. Then we'll discuss about nitrogen. Nitrogen is used in preserving food, like chips types of food, like uh, we can use this nitrogen use in that kind of food to preserve for long days, so we can use it for long days. It also used for making light bulb. In light bulb there is uses in nitrogen. In fertilizer there is nitrogen which is used for plant to make them grow well. We use different types of fertilizer. In that fertilizer there is also nitrogen, and this nitrogen helps to plant to grow well. Then now we'll learn about the air pollution, because we are talking about the air. So air pollution, one of the important things. So first we need to know what is air pollution. So air pollution occurs when gas, dust, smoke and odor are introduced into the air. This air pollution is very harmful for living things. We know it. It makes people sick, such as respiratory illness and heart diseases. So if there is much air pollution in our earth, then we'll suffer in respiratory system, like our breathing problem. We'll feel this kind of diseases. So why this pollution are happening? Like, what are the causes of this air pollution? Now we'll see that. Like, causes of air pollution are smoke from the cars, then smoke from fires, smoke from factories, smoke from big brick fields. So these all smoke causes the air pollution. Then how we can prevent this air pollution? Because the air pollution is very bad, or bad things for our life and also for the environment. So how we can prevent it? There are some ways we need to prevent. So let's see. We can prevent air pollution by walk or ride bicycle instead of using car. Like, if we use car, then it polluted air from the black smoke of the car. So instead of using car, if we ride bicycle or we walk, then we can reduce it. Then put garbage in proper place. If we do not put the garbage proper place, then from this garbage the bad odor mixed with air, and which is very harmful for human and animals also. So we need to put the garbage in proper place. We need to plant more trees. More trees helps to reduce the air pollution, and it gives good environment, so we should plant more trees. Then there are some more prevention, like check of your vehicle's fitness. So those cars are not fit for use, like from that car black smoke come. So we need to check up this fitness, so that less environment pollution happen, or less air pollution happen. So use carpool or joint ride share with friend. So carpool, you one of the new word for you. Carpool means using one car, and by one car many people go to their job, or like it is the example of school bus. Many students come with one school bus, but if there is 20 people in this car, and every people use their own car, then more black smoke will come from the car, and it will polluted the air. So if we use one car, then it will not pollute much air. So we should use carpool or joint ride. Then should not smoke. We should not smoke. If your parents smoke, you tell them not to smoke, because this smoke also uh, polluted the air, and it also very harmful for human being. It causes cancer. So we should not use smoke. Then use reusable things. Reusable things we need to use. It will help to uh, reduce our garbage. We need to use things more and more times. It will help to reduce garbages. So I hope you enjoyed this chapter. If you go through this chapter, you will see that I'll touch all the part of this chapter. I hope you enjoyed very much, and you will go through this. I already gave you the sheet, so you go through that. I hope you are well, and obey your parents and listen to your parents. Be safe and stay safe. Bye bye. Thank you.